One of my favorite ways to use my slow cooker is for this big hunk of pork that ends up yielding a shredded pork that's perfect for tacos. You can see from the photos that you can really just mix and match toppings to your liking. The one thing that you have to be careful of is FODMAP stacking. Look up an article on our site on FODMAP stacking. It'll explain it more thoroughly. But basically, when you're making tacos, if you want to add cheese and then the pork and maybe some vegetables, you know, whatever different little toppings you might want to put on your tacos, all of those things can add up and you might end up with a high FODMAP load. So you want to follow the recipe, make sure to keep it low FODMAP, and this is a recipe that everyone will enjoy.